The MP3022 Transfer Case found on the 392 uses an electronically controlled clutch pack to bias torque from 100% rear to a 50-50 split front and rear. All of which means fluid levels are critical on this transfer case. Through collective knowledge, it's becoming apparent that not all 392s and even Ram TRXs are leaving the factory with a full transfer case. When I checked the transfer case fluid level on my 392, to my surprise, I found I was almost a quart low. Wow. To ensure the transfer case is operating properly and we're not overheating those clutches, it's time to crawl under the Jeep and check the transfer case fluid. This is a relatively straightforward and simple job. Here's what you'll need. Grab a quart of ATF plus 4, a 10mm Allen, a ratchet and extension, and some shop rags. Make sure your Jeep is on level ground so we get an accurate fluid reading. Here's a look at the back of the transfer case. The top plug is the fill plug, bottom one is the drain. The drain plug is a 10mm Allen. We found the plug easy to reach with a ratchet and short extension. As you can see here, we have the plug removed and there's no fluid in sight. For a full transfer case, we want that ATF4 fluid right at the bottom of the fill hole. Let's add some fluid and get it topped off. Using a brake fluid filler bottle made it easy to add fluid to the transfer case. Fill the transfer case right up to the bottom edge of the fill hole. With the transfer case full, wipe off the excess fluid and reinstall the drain plug. Just snug that drain plug in, don't over tighten it. With the fluid level checked and full, we now have peace of mind that the MP3022 is going to function as designed. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.